Do you want to earn money fast? There are countless opportunities to make money all around you, but most people simply don't see them. Think about it. If you were to take a closer look at everything around you, you would realize that there is money to be made everywhere. Unfortunately, far too many people are living beyond their means, spending money they don't have on luxury items they can't afford just to be fake and impress others. Disgusting. Listen, if you're broke, it's time to reassess your situation and play to your strengths. Your current approach may not be working. So, take a step back and figure out what you can do better. Now, I'm going to reveal to you 3 ways to earn money fast. Make sure to watch until the end, as step 3 makes you the quickest money and does not require you to have any skill whatsoever. Number 1, editing. Are you watching this on a phone or computer with an internet connection? Great. That means you can make money with simple video editing skills. Many businesses, online brands, and YouTubers are looking for editors. They are high in demand everywhere. Numerous places on the internet will teach you how to become a great video editor. But even basic skills on a program like CapCut can get you far. You can then go to platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to freelance as an editor. You will be building your reputation and personal brand, so you must work as hard as you charge your customers. A great video editor specializing in a specific niche can easily make $10K per month once you build up the skill. Number 2, copywriting. Far from Weak himself is an excellent copywriter and has helped many men improve their lives on YouTube and growing his channel massively, at the same time using the power of influence and communication. Listen. As a copywriter, you have to provide value to your viewers to get money in return. This is also a skill you can easily learn online and build up your brand to reach out to clients. Remember, a great copywriter is a great salesman, and a great salesman will be successful no matter where he goes. Both editing and copywriting are high-demand skills that you can quickly learn and make money with. Now I will show you the real game changer that can make you money immediately without having to learn any skill beforehand. Number 3, flipping. Flipping means getting a product for cheap or for free and selling it again at a higher price for profit. Research your local market to decide what you're going to flip and play according to that market. For example, flipping furniture can be a good starting point, just like flipping kitchen appliances. The best items to flip are high in demand and of good quality, preferably from high-quality brands. So, buy a high-demand object and make a good presentation, as this is your personal branding. Have a great and accurate description of the product and sell it for profit. In the process, you will learn how to close deals and make even more money. If you're still confused, research these skills more and let me know in the comments if you want an in-depth guide on any of these skills. Did you like this video? Make sure to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribe to get powerful in life.